Okay, so you guys are always looking for some bonus points here. I'm going to make these last three problems a little bit of extra credit for you if you want to do them. Okay, so our job as linear programming is what we're going to do is we're going to graph all three lines and we're going to find out where they cross, and we're going to plug them into this profit function to find how much profit you make. This is basically like the other three problems at the top of the page where you have to just graph all three and find out where it's triple shaded. Okay, so if you want to see a good example of it, here we go. Okay, x-intercept should be, I'm going to do number 2 by the way because they're all in standard form and those are a little bit harder. X-intercept should be -3, y-intercept should be -1.5. So here we go, x-intercept -3, y-intercept -1.5. It'd be a solid line, so let me get my straight edge out here. Solid line. I should go through, oops, missed my dots, so I'm going to have to adjust that. It's hard to hit this without a straight edge using this straight line tool. Okay, so now I need to shade, so I got to plug in 0, 0. So if this is 0 and this is 0, it'd be 0 is bigger than -6. That is true, so I want to shade 0, 0 since that was true. And there's 0, 0 right there, so that's why I shaded it. Okay, I shaded 0, 0, and we're good to go. Okay, second graph. X-intercept should be 2. Let's see, yeah, 2. Y-intercept -2/3. So 2, -2/3. Okay, so I gotta get my straight edge out. I'll try to draw a line again. It's solid again. Bang, like that. Let's plug in 0, 0. 0 is bigger than 2. That's not true. That's false, right? 0 is greater than 2. That's false, so we don't want to shade that. We want to shade down below the line, which basically I only need over here because this is double shaded. Like that. Okay, so far I'm in that darkened in region right there. And I gotta do my last line still. X-intercept is 4, y-intercept is, no, x-intercept is 2, y-intercept is -4. X-intercept is 2, y-intercept is -4. Solid or dotted, it should be solid line. So my triple shaded region is either going to be in this triangular region in here or over here to the right. I'm guessing it's a triangle, but I don't know that for sure. Plug in 0, 0. So if 0 is less than 4, that's true. So I want to shade towards 0, 0. So that would be up here. So that would basically mean the triangle just got triple shaded here. Okay? So that's the only part we care about is the triangle. So I'm going to go ahead and darken that in a little bit darker. As best I can with the pencil lead here. Okay, so there's my triple shaded region. If I'm doing one of the first 3 problems on this page, I'd be done. But now this is linear programming. I want you to take the 3 ordered pairs, 1, 2, 3. Those are the 3 spots where the lines cross, and you're going to write those ordered pairs. Here's the first one. That's 2, 0. Okay, so I'm going to put 2, 0 over here. Bang. The next one right here, that's 1, -2. 1, comma, -2. And the last one, -1, -1. Okay, so I put all 3 of those points on the number line, or in my T-chart. This is an H-chart, I call it. That way I can leave room for my work. And this is going to be the profit equation. My profit equation tells me how much money I'm going to make. Okay, so I'm going to make 70 bucks off of each X value, minus I'm going to lose $15 on the Y's. So this is the function, or the equation that I plug these points into. Okay, 2 is the X, so it goes in there times the 70. So 2 times 70, 140. 0 times 15, minus 0. So 140 minus 0 gives me a profit of $140. So this will be your profit over here on the right. Let's plug in 1. 1 times 70 is 70 bucks. -2 times -15 would be a plus 30. That makes $100. Okay, and finally, plug in -1 to -70. Plug in this -1, makes a plus 15. That'd be negative $55. Okay, so if you're talking profit, which one of these would you want? The correct answer is that guy. So my answer is my maximum profit of $140 is my answer. And what you do is you say that happens at 2, 0. So this ordered pair 2, 0 gives us the max profit. That's the point I want. That's my answer point. So the max profit happens of $140 happens at 2, 0, and that's how you maximize a profit.